Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you love face masks, then I have a great one for you. This is by Dirty Works. I am absolutely loving this mud mask. It is my favorite one right now. I like the way that it easily goes on. It's very smooth. It's almost like you're using a face wash and you're not scrubbing your skin afterwards to get it all off. It comes off with your fingertips and some warm water. It is made with mud from the Dead Sea. It aims to draw out impurities and excess oils. It leaves my skin feeling very soft and refreshed. It does not dry my skin out at all. I really appreciate its smooth texture. It's very easy to apply, and it's also helped to unclog pores, and my skin has even gotten clearer. So if you are looking for a great face mask, then I would really recommend this one. It dries within about 10 minutes, and as you can see here, it easily rinses off. So don't hesitate on this one. It smells amazing, and it has been a great addition. And that's my point of view.